CS02-8250 amp will start the truck. Now, a good thing I like about this is it has a handle that you can use right there. And on Freightliners, you have jump plugs right here. So you don't have to go all the way to the batteries. Now turn it on. 12 volt ready, 94%. Give it a second. And here you'll notice a force start. Let's go see if it jumps. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to use this exact same jump starter from JF Eglo. And we're going to show you how you can use not only the jump starter, but now we're going to use... Now the first thing it's going to do is go to your battery right here. So you just hit the M right here, and that tells you your reading. 28.5 right now is the current pressure. We have it set for 36, which means when we turn this on, it will automatically pump up to 36 and then shut off. You can go through the different settings, KPA, PSI, all that stuff. Just rotate through. So right there you go.